Did you know that over 540 million people worldwide suffer from lower back pain, making it the leading cause of disability today? If you've ever had to pause your day because your back was stiff or aching, you're not alone. It can feel overwhelming, frustrating, and even hopeless at times. But what if I told you that just a few minutes a day of gentle, consistent movement can make a real difference? This isn't just about stretching, it's about healing. In this video, we'll walk through a simple yoga routine designed to relieve tension, strengthen your core, and bring balance back to your spine. No prior experience needed. Yoga has been scientifically proven to reduce back pain by increasing flexibility, improving posture, and strengthening muscles that support the spine. It encourages awareness of body alignment and breath, helping to calm the nervous system and ease inflammation. Unlike quick fixes or painkillers, yoga treats the root cause: muscle imbalances, poor posture, and tight hips or hamstrings. This 10-minute sequence focuses on safe, mindful movements that nourish the lower back and gently engage your core, giving you long-term relief without strain. Before we begin, find a quiet space, grab a mat or soft surface, and allow yourself to let go of expectations. This practice isn't about touching your toes or being flexible. It's about reconnecting with your body and creating space where pain once lived. Whether you sit at a desk all day, lift heavy items, or just wake up stiff, this session is designed for you. Remember to move slowly, breathe deeply, and listen to your body. Ready? Let's begin. We'll start in child's pose, a restful posture that gently stretches the lower back, hips, and spine. Kneel down, bring your big toes to touch, and fold your torso forward between your thighs. Stretch your arms out in front of you and breathe. Feel your lower back soften with each exhale. Stay here for about 5 slow breaths. This simple pose helps release deep-seated tension and gives your back a moment to fully rest. If your forehead touches the mat, even better. It sends a signal to your brain to relax. Next, transition to a tabletop position for cat-cow. This movement lubricates your spine and activates your core. As you inhale, arch your back, lift your chest, and gaze upward, cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, and draw your belly in, cat pose. Move with your breath for 5 rounds. This dynamic stretch improves spinal mobility and can instantly ease stiffness from long hours of sitting or standing. Now lie on your back and draw your knees into your chest. Gently drop both knees to one side for a reclining spinal twist. Extend your arms out like a T and turn your gaze in the opposite direction of your knees. Stay for 4 to 5 breaths, then switch sides. Twists like this help decompress the spine, massage your organs, and promote detoxification. It's one of the best poses to release tightness in the lower back while calming the mind. Let's move into bridge pose to activate the glutes and strengthen the core, 2 areas crucial for back support. Bend your knees, place your feet flat on the mat hip-width apart, and press into your heels as you lift your hips upward. Engage your core and thighs, keeping your neck relaxed. Hold for 5 slow breaths, then lower down. This pose builds stability in your posterior chain, the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, preventing imbalances that lead to pain. Now it's time for some relief and inner calm. From your back, grab the outer edges of your feet, bend your knees, and pull them gently toward your armpits for happy baby pose. Rock gently side to side if that feels good. This position opens the hips and releases pressure around the sacroiliac joint, a common source of low back discomfort. Stay here for at least 5 breaths, letting gravity do the work. To seal the practice, lie down flat for Savasana. Palms facing up, feet relaxed, eyes closed. Allow your body to melt into the mat. Notice the lightness in your lower back, the spaciousness in your breath, and the calm settling into your mind. Even in stillness, healing happens. This moment of integration allows the benefits of each pose to root deeply. Take 1 to 2 minutes here, and let this stillness become part of your daily rhythm. Back pain doesn't have to control your life. Just 10 minutes a day of mindful movement can rebuild your strength, restore your flexibility, and most importantly, reconnect you with your body. You've just taken an empowering step toward healing, and your spine will thank you for it. If this practice brought you relief, imagine the impact of making it part of your weekly routine. So take a moment to like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more gentle yoga flows and holistic wellness guides. Your journey to a pain-free, stronger you begins right here.